Do you want to know how to add stickers to Instagram Reels? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So the first step, open your Instagram account. Now swipe right or hit your story in the top left corner. Click on Reels at the bottom of the screen. After that, record a video or upload the one from the camera roll. Once the editing window opens, press on the sticker icon at the top of the corner. Choose the sticker that you would like to add to your video. Now you can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. What is more, don't forget that you can write or draw something on your video if you want. Hit the arrow button one more time. Now you may write a caption and change the cover image of your video. Then click on the share button in order to upload your video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.